And welcome back to the Stockholder channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step a complete tutorial on how you can buy Bitcoin so you'll never forget. It's in the simplest way possible so you can start building investments in your life. And without a doubt, Bitcoin is going to be the great global currency. It's already new. Many companies already use it, many countries already use it, but I want you to $100,000, $85,000, $90,000, fluctuating between $90,000 and $100,000. But this is the moment for you to buy Bitcoin in a simple and structured way for yourself. If you don't know the channel, this is the Stockholder channel, where you learn about cryptocurrency in the easiest and simplest way possible. I'm going to use my phone here. Let's basically get started in a really simple way. I'm going to use crypto.com. You can use any exchange if you don't have one yet. I'll leave the link in the first pinned comment so you can use the crypto.com exchange and open an account. And depending on the transactions you make, you can earn up to $30. And so can I, okay. Let's go to the site. Let's open the crypto.com app now. I already have an account. On crypto.com, I've already transferred an amount via bank transfer, Pix, or TED. Whatever method, I've already transferred to this account. And for this tutorial, I've transferred here with you 100 reais, which is about $20, right? So that we can make this payment. I'm logging in here, I go to the home screen, and then there's accounts. When you tap on accounts here, I've already invested 200 reals in crypto, but when there's an amount here, the money is already here. My 100 reals, which I deposited into the account, right? So let's go to the market, okay? And in the market, you'll see several cryptocurrencies, some indicators, the fear and greed index, Bitcoin dominance, how much Bitcoin is dominating the market, and there are several cryptocurrencies you can choose from. But here, we're gonna buy. I've already saved Bitcoin here as a favorite. You just need to type BTC in the search. There's no mistake. It'll show you the indicators. Notice that Bitcoin, on the day I'm recording this video, is going down. Remember, people usually buy when it's going up. So notice that Bitcoin is dropping today. Today is an excellent day to buy Bitcoin. See, I already have 93 Brazilian reals here. Just a small fraction in this account. I use it specifically to run tests here on the channel, to share some information. So right now, I'm at a loss. I'm losing money on Bitcoin at this moment. But since I'm using Bitcoin for the long term, 5 or 10 years, that doesn't worry me, okay? There's a button here, trade, buy or sell, and I'm going to buy Bitcoin together with you right now. And here it already shows the amount I want to buy. It will ask me how much I want to buy. I have 100 reals in the account, so I'm going to buy 100 reals worth of Bitcoin. Review. See how simple and easy it is? Here it's telling me how many Bitcoins, how many Satoshis. Actually, I'm buying 2,054 Satoshis. And the exchange rate today is 1 Bitcoin is worth 482,000 reals. There's a small transaction fee here of 80 centavos. See that the total cost was for me. Confirm. It'll ask you to confirm. Purchase completed successfully. See how simple it is. Then it gives me suggestions here so I can invest weekly. But I'm gonna skip that. Now let's go to the homepage. Let's see how my crypto wallet looks after this 100 reais purchase. If you've never bought Bitcoin, it's very simple, very easy. Just download crypto.com. I left a link in the first pinned comment. You open an account. After you open the account and enter all your information, it will ask you to make your first transfer. He gives you the account details so you can make the transfer. Once the transfer is made, the money arrives automatically and you can start trading. Okay? See, here I have Kronos, I have 47 reals in Kronos, I have 193 reals in Bitcoin, I have 27 reals in Convergent. In Covalent X, there is a financial 224 reals and 40 centavos. Stellar. I also have some here from a video I made. I also bought a little bit of Scholar. Bonk, Pep, Monk. All of these here are some meme coins. Meme coins are quite important because they have explosive potential, both for rising and falling. See, I have here. The small amount, about 5 reais, dropped 5%. It's dropping 5% today. That's how meme coins are. When Bitcoin drops, meme coins drop even more, right? So I have some clips here, just leaving them so you can get to know a bit about this test wallet I have here on the channel. And now I want to know from you. Did you already know about it? If you have any questions, comment and let me know what your question is. What would you like to do? Which part didn't you understand? It's very simple. First step, download the exchange app. It can be Binance, Crypto.com, Mesk, any exchange you prefer. Then you send the money to the exchange, and there you automatically make your purchase. At a later stage, you can transfer it to an individual wallet, a wallet that's not on the exchange, self-custody. But that's a topic for another video. So leave a comment for me, let me know what you're doing, give your like, leave your comment. If you already know how to buy, if you had any questions, comment below. Let me know. Take care and see you next time.